Assalamu alaikum. I'm Jawad Amrosh and I'm with ABDESSLAM MOUFOUK, Bukush Imad, MOHAMED OUDHA, and in this video I'm going to present our automated mobile application. Let's first start with the description, which is a mobile application for automated management using QR code and RFID. The main objective is to reduce the teacher administrative time, which is valued at 2 to 10 minutes a session, by using some reality offline operation and data security and integrity. The implementation process, the methodology, which is an analysis step, then UML, design and modeling, then development with Flutter and Dart, user testing and validation. The tools was Flutter, Dart, SQLite, RFID, QR codes and bcrypts. For the specification, our key feature is a fast recognition using QR code and RFID, the management which manage the groups, student, justification of absence, and etc. A non-functional requirement which is secure, efficient, and offline, deliverable, and successful. Project planning. A duration was academic year 2024-2025. A key milestone is that analysis and specification, architectural and design, feature development, testing and validation. Our resources and risks, regular backups, fraud prevention and data loss. Actual planning and progress. Our current status is project completed and successfully tested. Adjustment, optimization based on the teacher feedback. Next step, add more functionality to our application. Project design, architecture, mobile application with local SQLite database. We use all the diagrams, which is use case, sequence, and classes diagrams. The interface and innovation was a home screens connection application. Let's go to the demonstration. We have a fully functioning authentication system. Let's try to log in as a teacher. So we can start a session, justify absence. Let's start a session, for example, a L3 session. We write the type LMD or LP, then the group and the name of the course. We save the assignment, then we can import data or export it. Let's import a data. The data is an Excel file who have the students' names. So now that we imported data, we have some students with their group and etc. So this is the academic information. After importing the data, let's select a file. The global import gives us all the data with their RFID. We do it after importing the lists of import. We have also the restore data, which can allow us to restore our lost data, but it only works when we have an exported file. It allows us to create all the students and their sessions. Now we have students in our application. This is the student from our Excel, for example, OUDHA. We can see his name and information. We can add a student to our file. And we can start a session. By starting a session, an automatic chrono will start at 1 hour 30 minutes. we have all the student, by default they are absent. Then we can choose between assiduity and présence, which we can give them points. The teacher has the right to add 10 minutes using the button of 10 minutes. For example, we are adding 10 minutes. Let's add another one. He can also cancel or end the session. By ending the session, that means that it's fully completed. Now, to be able to give our student a point or absence, we can give them a code of RFID or scan their QR code. For example, let's scan a QR code of a card. By scanning it, he will automatically be present. Or we can manually select their presences and give them assiduity points. Now, if we go view our attendance record, we can see the presence and absence in our sessions. We can also justify the absence by clicking on justify. Then if we we can create another session. If we go to justify absence, here we can write the ID of the student. It automatically gives us the student. We can write the date of his absence and the reason. For example, he was sick. If we submit it, he will automatically be justified. His absence will be justified. We can also export data. When exporting a data, we select the group. It will create an Excel file. This is the Excel file. So it have all the users, the group, the session, the section, and the number of assiduity, and absence. You have also the bonus and the note out of 5. Here we can use the backup. So the backup is a feature that we added. By using a backup, we will transfer all the data in a secure file. This will help us prevent using the application and help us using it offline. Also, the backup has other features. So this is for the archive. This is our application. I really appreciate your attention. Thank you very much, and assalamu alaikum.